Before diving into the details on how you can embark on this journey, let's take a moment to celebrate the remarkable transformation that takes place when we shift our perspective. Imagine the ordinary, perhaps even offensive sight of waste turning into a resource, delivering energy, nourishing our gardens, and creating economic opportunities. The beauty of this paradigm shift is not just in how we view waste but in what it enables us to achieve. By embracing innovation and resilience, we can create sustainable systems that benefit both ourselves and the environment. So let's break it down step by step, and I'll guide you through turning the rubbish into riches. Let's start with the foundations of your journey, the preparation. Before you can transform waste into wealth, you need to gather your materials and get a solid understanding of the processes involved. First, watch a few informative YouTube tutorials to familiarize yourself with the biogas concept. Then, connect with a local farmer who might be willing to provide fresh manure. This is your key ingredient. As you sketch your setup plan, consider how to install your digester and where to place it for optimal temperature control. Remember, patience is essential here. Each step builds toward your sustainable future. Your journey into the world of biogas production starts here, with a mix of excitement, curiosity, and determination to transform waste into wealth. With your materials gathered and a solid plan in place, you're ready to dig in, not just into the earth, but into this innovative process. Embrace the learning curve that comes with new experiences. Each misstep is a stepping stone towards mastering your system. As you embark on this adventure, remember that every ounce of effort brings you closer to creating not just a sustainable solution, but a way to inspire others in your community to do the same. Let's cultivate change, one digester at a time, and let that transformation unfold. You're now equipped with the foundational knowledge and materials, so let's dive into the heart of construction. First off, gather your 2 plastic water tanks, ensuring they're clean and free of contaminants. Next, mark your digging area. This is where the first tank will sit, buried halfway in the ground to maintain a stable temperature for anaerobic digestion. Remember, a well-insulated digester nurtures the thriving microbes essential for effective waste breakdown. As you dig, think about how this simple act is a step towards energy independence and eco-friendliness. Once you've prepared the site, it's time to assemble your digester by carefully positioning the inlet and outlet pipes, ensuring a seamless flow of waste and slurry. This hands-on work doesn't just build a system, it builds a bridge to a future where waste is treasured, not tossed aside. As you carefully set up your digester, you might find that the most challenging part is ensuring everything is airtight. The importance of sealing cannot be overstated. Any leaks can compromise the efficacy of the entire system. I learned this lesson the hard way when my initial attempts resembled a scene from a slapstick comedy rather than a science project. Armed with duct tape and rubber sealant, take your time to inspect every connection. It's these small details that will determine your success. While assembling, envision the transformation taking place in that tank, the invisible bacteria gearing up for the feast, ready to turn what society deems waste into a source of power and nourishment. Your hard work today will become the backbone of your self-sufficient future, so stay focused and meticulous. Once the digester is successfully built and sealed, you should focus on connecting your gas dome tank. This second tank serves as the collector for the biogas produced during digestion. Carefully attach the piping from the digester to the gas dome, ensuring that each connection is secure and leak-proof. The anticipation builds as you visualize the gas rising, ready to power your stove and other devices. This critical step solidifies your achievements and sets the stage for the excitement to come as you watch your system come alive. Keep your spirits high. Every screw tightened and every seal secured brings you closer to experiencing the fruits of your labor. Each check and adjustment elevates your project and deepens your understanding of this sustainable practice. With the gas dome securely connected and the digester ready, it's time to step back and envision the possibilities that lie ahead. In just a few days, that carefully engineered tank will begin its magical transformation as microbes set to work, digesting the organic material you fed them. Be sure to maintain a steady temperature in the digester. Anaerobic bacteria thrive in warmth. This proactive mindset ensures optimal conditions that maximize your biogas production. When you finally see that first gas bubbling up, the culmination of your hard work will be exhilarating, proof that you've turned waste into wealth and paved the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future. As weeks pass and the anticipation grows, you'll want to keep a close eye on your setup, fine-tuning each element to ensure maximum efficiency. Periodically check the temperature of your digester to confirm that it remains within the ideal range for microbial activity. A thermometer can become your best friend in this process. When the conditions are just right, the magic truly begins. You'll start noticing gas production, a sign that everything is working as it should. When the first bubbles appear, it symbolizes not just success, but the incredible journey from viewing waste as worthless to embracing it as a valuable resource. This transformative moment marks your entry into a world where waste becomes wealth, fueling both your household and your dreams. Once that first biogas bubbles up, you'll know you're on the right track. In roughly 10 to 14 days, the process will yield gas, enough for daily cooking, heating, and even powering a small generator for brief periods. As the excitement builds, take a moment to appreciate the shift from waste to useful energy. This simple act of harnessing nature's processes not only provides for your needs but also reduces reliance on external fuel sources, creating a sense of accomplishment and independence. With the initial gas bubbling up, you're officially in the biogas game, and it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Picture this: cooking 3 meals a day using the very waste you once viewed as a nuisance. Your kitchen transforms into a hub of sustainability, heating bath water and even generating power for small devices. Share your newfound energy source with your family and friends, who will be amazed at your innovative use of waste. Celebrate these small victories as they reinforce your journey toward a greener lifestyle. Remember to maintain your system, checking for any leaks using soapy water and ensuring that everything functions smoothly. Your journey is just beginning, and the advantages of your biogas system are only set to grow. From here, the excitement continues to unfold as you harness the most precious byproduct of your biogas system, the nutrient-rich slurry. With a simple process of draining the slurry into buckets and allowing it to compost for about 2 weeks, you're not just recycling waste, you're enhancing your garden's productivity. This slurry is more than just leftover material, it's liquid gold that will rejuvenate your soil. By embarking on this transformative journey, you've not only turned waste into renewable energy but also fostered a sustainable future. With your newfound knowledge and experience, you're now empowered to inspire others, proving that innovation thrives when we reimagine the potential hidden in the mundane, making a lasting impact on our world.